Run away now.
So can you leave? Suspect outside of PDG.
Kom gestern die.
Okay, you know which rookie it was? Okay, all right. All right. I guess he gonna send the phone them then.
Chopper gonna fuck your mom on the HB, nigga.
Boy, you're dead. Stay dead. Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up, man, you fucking.
You shut the fuck up. You're dead. So you should
You're
be
an
talking.
American idiot, bro. You're a fucking American idiot.
Upside down.
10-4.
Yeah, get it. Yeah.
Yo,
Get that
Chop,
dude.
I think you are number one at least wanted, bro.
Hey, bro, Chopper, bro. Hey, yo, Chopper.
What? What?
Bro,
What? What?
I glitched out the jail cell for real, bro.
You did the material?
Bro, I glitched out the jail cell, bro. I just glitched out someone had a dead body, bro, and I just glitched out the freaking jail, bro. And I had like 2 hours in that bitch, bro. I escaped,
Pop is dead outside. I think someone shot him.
bro. Listen, I got shot. I got chased on my beat. Shit the fuck up. Stupid ass cop.
Okay.
The fuck I wish you would. You
Oh
cost us a
yeah, y'all gonna have
32.
to clear the area.
Oh, look at him over there.
Dante, let me get you car key.
Hey, get out the
Alright,
green zone, boy. Yeah.
clear the area now. Or you gotta jump.
Dante, do you
Yeah,
know who
shoot
I
me,
am?
bitch. Yeah, shoot me, bitch. Shoot me, bitch.
Ask Chopper who I am.
Hey, come closer. Come closer, twin. Hey, come closer, bro. Look at, look at the camp in the green zone.
Dante.
Look at that bitch ass
Ask
camp in the
Chopper
green
who
zone.
I am.
They camp in the green zone. Look at the camp in the green zone, bitch. The fuck, come out, bro. Look at camp in the green zone. Look at that. Camp in the green zone. Y'all bitch. Look at that. Hey, you already saw, bitch. The fuck?
Hey, watch this out. Nigga, move, man.
You gotta
Bro, I
use your
can't, bro. I'm
macros,
lying.
Iron Man. Use your macros.
Who said my name?
Iron Man's not even using his macros.
Oh, you on HG map?
Iron Man, you gotta use your macros.
Bro, I'm
Suspect down. Suspect down. We still have a couple more gang members out here now.
What's up? Yeah, I was about to do a patrol mission. I just did that randomly because I wanted him to leave, but I did not bring him inside. You know what I mean? I just put it on just to scare him and say, "Leave, sir." Yeah, it's fine, but I know I should not do that. But I didn't bring it. Yeah,
We tell y'all can't use force, and y'all still be doing it.
Who do you need? Officer Ted out in front of
hello.
Yes,
Remember, you can't do anything unless you get a badge, right?
I can do the task.
Like, don't arrest people outside or don't shoot, don't do anything unless you get a badge.
Yeah, I can do the patrol.
Yeah, only the patrol.
Yeah, I know that. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, okay.
Just come follow me, Mr. Devon. Is that okay? One of you just close the doors. Salute, sir. Salute, sir. Salute.
So
I'm good, thank you. How are you? So, what was the issue? Sorry. Come in, sir. Yeah, 2 seconds. Yes, come in, sir. Yeah.
Did y'all call me? Officer Wiley, would you handcuffing people without being a badge officer?
I didn't bring him inside. Like I just did that to scare him and say leave the area. But I know I should not do that as a rookie.
Oh, who
Yeah,
did he
that's
arrest?
basically abusing your power.
Who did he arrest? Sorry, I missed that part. Was there an officer or was there a criminal?
It was
It
a
was
criminal.
a criminal.
TY, you can come behind the table, bro. So you arrested the civilian and you're not a badge, are you? Is that correct, Mr. Greg?
No, he's not badge.
And who knows this? Just us? So probably if, he's a DFG, so he's probably gonna come speak to you privately. But obviously, you cannot arrest anybody, like literally anybody, even like if you're except from training, you can't put cuffs on nobody. You see, because you're not a badged officer yet. You just gotta do all your trainings. Then once you're a badge, you can do that. But when phone number does come on, I don't think he will give you a RP, but I feel like he will give you a warning the most. It's because you're still new in the fraction.
Yeah,
Yeah.
probably so.
Like he sometimes can be strict. That's because that's his job, but he's not a mean guy. Like he's not a bad guy. So I feel like it's not true, Greg. I feel like he will just give you a warning.
And another thing, where did you handcuff them at?
Outside the PDG.
See, that's another thing. You can't be outside of PDG. You can't leave the 4-0 unless you're doing mission patrol.
I was
Use
about
your
to do a patrol mission, and then I just saw him outside with the gun, and then I said to leave.
When you're doing mission patrols, you cannot get out of your car.
Oh man,
you train you, Mr. Wadley.
I had Mr. Trees chilling, did some training with me, but honestly, nobody really told me about all those things I gotta follow. You know what I
Did
mean?
did Triz not tell you that you cannot arrest or just go outside your personal vehicle, etc., etc.? Did he not tell you RUCA rules?
He told me to don't use force. I can't use force yet, but he did not tell me to get off my vehicle when I'm doing patrol.
All right, so if he didn't tell you the rules properly, that wouldn't be your fault either. But you should read the what's that thing called? The book, the book
Canadian progress
on
rates are
Discord / on RP.
Yes,
heading
sir.
towards Venice.
The handbook, yeah, the handbook. You should read that because that's gonna help you a lot. Have you got any macros on?
Yes, sir. I'm done with the training, and honestly, I'm just waiting for an eval test. But
When did you pass your training? Yesterday or today?
I'm almost done with the eval test, but I just have to show like the taser, the traffic stop, and then the pursuit.
So you gotta do them 3, yeah?
And who did you say did your trainers? Did you finish all of the trainers with them?
Yes, sir. Mr.
What was the
Triz.
officer's name? All right. Let me see if he on so he could finish up the rest of them. Cause if he did all the rest of your trainers, he need to want to post them. Yeah.
1022, I lost them.
Officer Triz, do you copy?
1022, I lost them.
I think he out on patrol. I think he was just on the 1080.
Who, me?
Yeah, can you just come to floor 2 in the chief's room, please? Chief's office.
Yeah, I think it's true.
Yeah, that's Triz, bro. Guys, just give me 2 minutes. I just gotta do something on Discord.
All right. Wiley, how many trainings did you get done?
All of them.
All right. So when Mr. Triz get here, we'll see if he posts them in the Discord for you.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah,
Other
if I
than
was
that,
online as well.
okay, he pulled back online. Oh yeah, he said he just spawned it in, and now my car is on floor 2.
AFK real quick, opening a ticket on Discord to get a player ban.
10-4.
Officer Wadley, go to floor 2, please.
Officer Wadley's on floor 2 in the chief's office with us.
Yo, look at my car, bro. You seeing this? Look at my cars. Like, what? I just
Guys,
spawned
this
in.
is a game,
Oh,
but
car get up
this
here.
is so scary.
Nah, you okay, man?
No, it's nothing bad. Like I said, Sir Phantom's not a bad guy. He's not even like he's very good and understandable, and he's always fair. Unlock his ear.
All right. For one, Mr. Wilton, did you change your
Yeah, man, I had to change my name.
salute? Yeah, just make sure you announce that in the chat and then at Chief and the DFG so they know. But, like, this is my old name. This is what I'm switching my name to.
Yeah, no worries.
Copy. Yeah, Mr. Wadley. I see the body cam just now, and I heard a bit of you tasing someone outside when we're supposed to be doing handcuffing them, unhandcuffing them, and then someone else had him in handcuffs, and then you tased him again. No macros. There was no reason to be tasing anybody. You are a badged officer or unbadged officer. You should not be putting anybody in handcuffs. So I have to follow the rules. Yeah. So brother, it's going to be a dismissal. PD 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 15. Yeah, I already posted on the reps channel if anyone wants to go view that. Yeah, Mr. Wildley, unfortunately, gonna have to dismiss you today, brother. You can come back in 3 days. You're not blacklisted. Just when your 3-day cooldown's done, if you want to come back, make sure you follow all the rules and your rookie rules so this doesn't happen again, all right?
All right, sir.
Appreciate you, Officer Wadley.
Yeah, go ahead.
Next time,
The taser was just a mistake, sir. Like my hand just pressed it mistakenly. I didn't mean to.
It was twice, though. It was twice. There's also another rookie that was there that also handcuffed this person. So I'm going to have to do the same thing probably. But yeah, Mr. Wadley, you tased him twice. Rose in the green zone. Your unbadged officer handcuffed him. And then when he was in handcuffs again, you tased him, no macros. You also handcuffed Angie earlier today. And then at the training, which I believe was yesterday, you were handcuffing another officer. And I kept on telling you to unhandcuff him, and you wouldn't listen at first. So this is, dismissal. Come back in 3 days. Just when you come back in 3 days, do not do the same things that you just have been doing, or that could lead to further punishments than just a dismissal.
All right, but I have a question.
What's up?
When I come back, do I have to like restart the interview and stuff like that?
Yep. So when your 3-day cooldown's over, you go to the same thing. It's 1 p.m. Eastern, Friday through Sunday, as our hiring times, and then 6:30 p.m. Eastern, Friday through Sunday. So I'm thinking by Sunday, because it's all about server times. So I'm thinking by Sunday or Saturday, you'll be good to come back if you want to come back.
All right, so when I come back, I'm just gonna restart again and then do
It's
the
the whole
EVA test
process.
so I can continue.
Yep, it's the whole process all over again.
Yeah, because I'm done with the trainings too, so I don't have to restart.
Yeah. So, like I said, it's unfortunate. I'm sorry, but I have a strict rules I have to follow. I have to be fair to everyone. So, yeah, come back. You're not blacklisted or anything, so you can come back. Yeah, my car is on the second floor right now. I don't know why.
what do you mean your car is on the second floor?
It was. It must have despawned. Yeah. Have a good one, Mr. Wadley. See you in 3 days if you want to come back, brother. Can someone escort him? Floor 1. I think her
Hey,
name's
Mr.
Rose something.
Mr. Fonam.
Her name is Kayla Rose or like Kayla Rose or something. Kayla Rosemeyer.
Hey, this why y'all called me here? Y'all you wanted to talk to me about something?
No, I didn't call you. I didn't know.
Her name is Rosemary or something like that. Rosemary.
Yeah, I came out there and seen it, and I seen the aftermath. I caught the aftermath. I caught them both outside. I thought Wiley had a badge. I thought just Kayla didn't have a badge. I thought Wiley had a badge.
Guys, guess who sent me that body cam of that officer, Mr. Wadley?
Nate.
Davenport.
Nate Davenport. Yep.
It's always Nate. See, it's always Nate. It's always that's
He's
getting
on
a report.
the Lomita general chat right now.
Of course.
saying going crazy about getting rookies fired and stuff. I
Yeah,
believe.
he was out there setting them up.
I see there was a whole bunch of officers that caused problems when I got dismissed. I see that there was a whole bunch of officers that caused problems too after I got dismissed. Like when I'm checking the blacklist, there's a whole bunch of people on the blacklist.
Oh yeah.
Also, just be advised, there's an Blaze B is under another name, so if he tries to join again, I've got it on body cam just as a heads up.
Copy. Yeah, I just got him a Beast 1 banned. He logged out during my arrest when I arrested him.
Nice. Hey, if you got any body cams of him speaking or anything, I'm working on getting him permanent banned again. So if you could send me any body cams you got on him, that'd be great.
Copy. I'll see if I still have it. I should still have it because I sent it to the admin, so I should have it still.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Now the other rookie that was out there with you, Triz. Yeah. I don't know if it's worthy of a dismissal for her. He was aiming his gun at her. So I know I'm having talks with the other
Wait,
ones
what
in the
happened on him?
So the Officer Wiley just got dismissed for handcuffing somebody.
Answering me.
Yeah, and tasing people and no macros, etc. Now there's another officer out there that I received along with another body cam from Nate Davenport that another rookie named Kayla Rosemeyer or something put him in handcuffs. But to be honest, he was doing this. He was doing this.
Okay.
So if we're going off RP, if you're really gonna RP, gonna fall. Come on, IRL. If someone's aiming a gun at a police officer, no matter if they're badged or not, I'm pretty sure that that person will be apprehended. So
yes,
I sent it.
That's still a PD. In my opinion, again, this is just my opinion, whether it was a green zone or not, that's still did they handcuff him or what did they do?
So she just handcuffed him. She didn't tase him or anything. She just handcuffed him and then.
Did she drop macros?
No.
So that's another issue. Does she have body cam?
Maybe she did. I have the full body cam, the whole thing. I don't need her body cam.
I was gonna say because you still gotta request body cams.
Yeah, I guess, but
she don't have no. I asked her.
So again, I get that it was self-defense, but if you think about it, it's still a green zone, and she's still unbadged. Right? You said she's unbadged, or she isn't?
She's right here. She's unbadged. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, but
she's there right now.
She was never supposed to be outside.
So what I'm doing right now is that I sent it to our leadership chat with admins, and I wanted their feedback on that. I'm not trying to wrongfully dismiss anybody.
No, I got you. I can see if Hunter's available if you want to send, because Hunter's online in Discord if you want me to.
I already talked to Hunter. He said that she was even though she's a rookie and it's green zone, it's still RP's defending, guns being pointed at her. So it's hard, it's iffy. So I'm just waiting on word from admins.
Yeah, it's 50-50 to be honest. Again, because I do understand the situation, but then again, she's still unbadged. She can't, So
Yeah.
I'd say it's 50-50.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. I don't want to wrongfully dismiss anybody without being 100%.
Yeah, no, I got you. That's why I'm saying it's like a 50-50 from here. That's why you understand why you contact.
Yeah, and correctly RP. I mean, come on, IRL.
Yeah.
Come on.
Without a
So
doubt.
that's why I'm.
But then again, you wouldn't go into a PD lobby or not PD lobby. You wouldn't go to show up at PD in general with the gun out in an area where you're surrounded by cops. Also.
Yeah, correct. So Mrs. Do you have body cam of this incident?
No, I was just coming out.
You were coming out in the mission patrol car?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have to have body cams on at all times, which is streaming or screen recording. something like that. So if you don't have body cam, that will be a rep. That is a 12-15, 1 rep. You're not being dismissed. You know your rookie rules. You're not supposed to be handcuffing people, but he was aiming his gun at you. So if we're going to correctly RP, I don't know. So if it was outside the green zone, that would have been a little different maybe. So I'm waiting to hear back from our higher ups, which are our faction admins, to clarify, because I don't want to wrongfully dismiss you for a PD 1 if and a PD 2 if he
It
was
would
pointing
just
his gun
well,
at
it
you.
wouldn't be a PD 1 and 2 because she didn't jail them.
No. It's
Because
handcuffing.
one
PD
of
1 is
oh,
handcuffing.
my bad. Sorry, I'm thinking of PD 3. Because
Yeah,
I was
PD
thinking
1
of because you said jail and prison. I was thinking jail and or imprisonment. Sorry,
no.
my bad.
PD 1 is handcuffing using taser for no role play reason,
Yeah,
which
that's why I was thinking of.
that could
I
be a
was
role
thinking of
play
the,
reason. That's another thing that could be a role play reason. So that could take out the PD1, no, the PD2, which is the same thing, which is instant dismissal.
well,
It's
both are instant
imprisonment. It's
dismissal.
imprisonment and detention or imprisonment of a civilian, or
Which
or
so it wouldn't be a
officer,
PD
whatever.
2 because she didn't she didn't jail them.
Yeah. So
You said that she would get a PD 1 or 2.
yeah, I'm just waiting to hear back from them. I wanna get clarification from them. Okay, Miss Kaylin.
Okay.
But for now, yeah, you have no body cam, so that will be 1 rep. But as of right now, you are not dismissed, so you can continue on with your trainings or whatever. Get your badge, and I will keep you updated on anything.
Okay, but like I was saying, he was just came up to me and pointed at the gun.
I
So
know.
I just did what thought I was supposed to do.
Yeah, so it's tough because you're unbadged. You know your rookie rules. You can't handcuff anybody. Anybody at all. Now he was pointing the gun at you, so that's another thing that I am trying to get clarification on. I don't want to wrongfully give you reps or dismiss you. But anyways, what you should have done is, I know these people are trying to get people fired. They're literally on the Lomita chats saying how they're gotten rookies fired. You need to just continue on with your mission patrols. You need to leave them alone. They don't RP with us. That's what we stress. Do not RP with the people front PD, back PD. Don't RP with them people. They don't roleplay it. They are just trying to
Okay.
get officers fired. You have no
And
idea.
they're all of them.
Yeah. And yeah, the people, the things, the body cams I receive on a daily are the same people every single day. Every single day about getting officers fired. It's the same people, which are the same people that sit front PD, back PD, side PD, kill officers, report officers, get them banned, get them fired. That's what they do. Body cams, they'll catch you if you run in and out of a green zone, and even though they've been doing the same thing, as soon as they see you do it, report as PD7. So you just got to stay away from them people. Do not role play with them people. Unless we all go out there as a group and you have your badge and we all, escort them out of the green zone or arrest them, you should not be messing with any of them people at all. Yes, ma'am. Like I said, I'll keep you updated, right?